Health is a precious gift. It's easy to take it for granted until it's gone. When we're healthy, we feel good. We have energy for work, play, and loved ones. Good health allows us to live life to the fullest. Taking care of our health is an investment. It's a commitment to ourselves and our well-being. Small, consistent efforts can make a big difference over time. This guide will explore simple, practical ways to prioritize your health. We'll focus on 3 key areas: nutrition, exercise, and mental health. Let's embark on this journey together towards a healthier, happier you. Food is fuel for our bodies. The food we eat directly impacts our energy levels, mood, and overall health. Making mindful food choices is a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. Start your day with a nutritious breakfast. Think whole grains, fruits, and protein to kickstart your metabolism and provide lasting energy. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains should make up the majority of your plate. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive unhealthy fats. These foods can contribute to weight gain, inflammation, and chronic diseases in the long run. Remember, eating well doesn't have to be complicated. Keep it simple, keep it real, and focus on nourishing your body from the inside out. Our bodies are designed to move. Movement is essential for our physical and mental well-being. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, our bodies crave activity. It's not just about exercise, it's about integrating movement into our daily lives. Regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight, boosting energy levels, and improving overall mood. It helps us stay agile and keeps our muscles and joints in good condition. Engaging in consistent exercise reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. It also strengthens our immune system, making us more resilient to illnesses. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Whether it's dancing, playing a sport, or simply taking a walk in nature, the key is to find something that makes you happy. It could be brisk walking, dancing, swimming, cycling, or any other activity that gets your heart rate up. The options are endless and there's something for everyone. High-intensity interval training, chai is another great way to get your heart pumping. These short bursts of intense activity followed by rest periods can be very effective. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This can be broken down into shorter sessions if needed, making it easier to fit into a busy schedule. If you're short on time, even 10-minute bursts of activity throughout the day can make a difference. Simple actions like taking the stairs, stretching at your desk, or doing a quick home workout can add up. Listen to your body and don't overdo it, especially when starting. It's important to warm up before exercising and cool down afterward to prevent injuries. Gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts over time. This helps your body adapt and grow stronger without causing strain or injury. Remember, exercise is not a punishment. It's a celebration of what your body can do. It's about feeling good, both physically and mentally, and enjoying the process. Find the joy in movement, and your body will thank you. Embrace the freedom and vitality that comes with being active, and let it enhance every aspect of your life. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Stress, anxiety, and negative thoughts can take a toll on our overall well-being. Make time for relaxation and stress management. Practice deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, or anything that helps you unwind and quiet your mind. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. A good night's sleep is essential for physical and mental recovery. Cultivate a positive mindset. Focus on gratitude, self-acceptance, and surrounding yourself with positive influences. Remember, taking care of your mental health is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Make it a priority, and you'll reap the benefits in all areas of your life. Section 5. The ripple effect of healthy habits. Adopting healthy habits creates a ripple effect throughout your life. Just like a pebble thrown into a pond, the positive changes you make in your daily routine can spread outwards, influencing not just your own well-being but also the lives of those around you. When you feel good physically and mentally, you're more likely to make positive choices in other areas. This can include better decision-making at work, improved relationships with family and friends, and a greater sense of fulfillment in your personal life. Increased energy and productivity. When you eat well, exercise, and manage stress, you'll experience a boost in energy levels and improved focus, allowing you to accomplish more throughout the day. This newfound energy can help you tackle tasks with enthusiasm and efficiency, making your daily routine smoother and more enjoyable. Improved mood and emotional well-being. Exercise releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. These natural chemicals in your brain can help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety, leading to a more positive and balanced emotional state. A balanced diet and stress management techniques can also contribute to emotional stability and a more positive outlook. Incorporating mindfulness practices such as meditation or yoga can help you stay grounded and focused, even in the face of life's challenges. Stronger immune system. A healthy lifestyle strengthens your body's natural defenses, making you less susceptible to colds, flu, and other infections. Regular physical activity, proper nutrition, and adequate sleep all play a crucial role in maintaining a robust immune system. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Simple actions like choosing a piece of fruit over a sugary snack or adding an extra serving of vegetables to your meal can accumulate over time, leading to significant improvements in your overall health. Embrace healthy habits and watch the positive ripple effects transform your life. By making conscious choices to improve your health, you not only enhance your own quality of life but also inspire those around you to do the same. The journey to a healthier you starts with a single step, and the impact can be far-reaching and profound. Section 6. Obstacles and Solutions. Life is full of challenges, and there will be times when sticking to healthy habits feels difficult. Whether it's the temptation of unhealthy foods, the struggle to find time for exercise, or simply feeling unmotivated, these obstacles can seem overwhelming. But remember, every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger and more resilient. The key is to anticipate obstacles and have strategies in place to overcome them. By planning ahead, you can navigate these challenges more effectively. For instance, if you know that evenings are particularly busy for you, you can prepare by organizing your schedule in advance. Time constraints. Evenings get busy. Between work, family, and other responsibilities, it can be hard to find time for yourself. Try prepping healthy meals on the weekends. This way, you can ensure that you have nutritious options readily available during the week, saving you time and reducing the temptation to opt for less healthy convenience foods, or incorporating quick workouts into your lunch breaks. Even a short 15-minute exercise session can make a big difference in your overall fitness and well-being. Lack of motivation. Find an accountability partner. Having someone to share your journey with can provide the encouragement and support you need to stay on track. Or join a fitness class to stay motivated. Set realistic goals that are achievable and celebrate your progress no matter how small, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Recognizing your successes can boost your confidence and keep you motivated to continue. Temptations. Don't deprive yourself completely. It's important to enjoy life and the foods you love, but in moderation. Allow for occasional treats in moderation. This way you can satisfy your cravings without derailing your overall healthy eating plan. Focus on making healthy choices most of the time. By prioritizing nutritious foods, you can maintain a balanced diet that supports your health and fitness goals. Remember, setbacks are a normal part of the journey. Don't be discouraged. Learn from any slip-ups. Each setback is a learning opportunity that can help you improve and become more resilient, and get back on track as soon as possible. The most important thing is to keep moving forward no matter how many times you stumble. Your journey to health and wellness is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, stay positive, and you will achieve your goals. Section 7. Your journey to a healthier you. Your journey to a healthier you is just that, yours. It's about making sustainable changes that you can maintain over time. It's not about perfection but about progress. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods and activities make you feel. Experiment and find what works best for you. Be patient and kind to yourself. Change takes time and effort. Celebrate small victories and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Remember, you are capable of achieving your health goals. Trust the process, believe in yourself, and enjoy the journey. Section 8. A healthier tomorrow starts today. The journey towards a healthier you begins with a single step. Start today. It doesn't have to be a grand gesture. Even a small change can make a big difference over time. Drink more water, choose an apple over a cookie, take a walk during your lunch break. Every little bit counts. As you continue on this path, you'll find that healthy living is not a destination, but a way of life. It's about making conscious choices that nourish your body, mind, and soul. Remember, your health is a gift, and it's up to you to cherish and protect it. Make the commitment to yourself today, and embrace the journey towards a healthier, happier you.